C by D. So A by B whole divided by C by D will be written as A by B into D by C. So as it is A by B into D by C. So D 1 by 10 seconds. So is equal to acceleration A. Here minus 15 meters into 1 minus 15 meters divided by here 10 seconds into 1 second, 10 seconds square. 10 seconds square. So which is equal to acceleration A. So here we can, if we divide 15 with 10, we will get minus. So 15 is divided by 10. So we will get 1.5. So meter per second square. Acceleration. What is the here minus? What does that minus indicate? Minus indicates retardation. There is a decrement in the speed of the car. So here the speed of the car slowly it is decreasing. Here 72 km per hour is there. Here 60 km per hour. Here 50 km, 40, 30 km per hour, 20 km per hour. Here 18 km per hour. So here like this. So there is a decrement in the speed of the car. So this minus indicates decrement. There is no increment in the speed of the car. So that is why here minus indicates that decrement in the speed of the car. So minus 1.5 meters per second square, that is equal to acceleration. So here minus is there, so that's why it is considered, it is called as retardation. It is not acceleration. Opposite to acceleration is called as retardation. So that is deceleration. There is a decrement in the speed of the object is called as deceleration or retardation. So we have calculated retardation. So now we have to calculate distance covered. Between this 10 seconds time, okay, here driver applied brakes here. Suddenly car didn't get stopped. So car moved certain distance for 10 seconds time. But how much distance has been covered by the car, that should be calculated. Within this 10 seconds only, how much distance has been covered by the car, that is to be calculated. Okay. So here to calculate distance, we have another equation of motion. What that is? So here we will write in this box, we can write otherwise. Here v square minus u square is equal to as. This is one of the equations of motion. V square minus u square is equal to as. Why should we use this particular equation only? Why? Because here already final velocity is there, that is 5 meter per second. Initial velocity is already given, that is 20 meter per second. And acceleration has already been calculated. Acceleration. Next, s is there. So s is to be calculated, distance. If we substitute all these values in this above equation, we can easily find out the distance of the car. Distance covered by the car within the 10 seconds time. So let us substitute. So final velocity that is 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second whole square minus initial velocity, this is 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second whole square. So here v square 5 meter per second whole square minus initial velocity 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second whole square is equal to 2 into acceleration. What is the value of acceleration? Here acceleration value is given as minus 1.5 meter per second square. So we can substitute that value here, minus 1.5 meter per second square into distance. Here 5 meter per second whole square. So here 5 square 25 meter square per second square minus 20 square 20 20s. So that is a 400 meter square per second square, which is equal to minus 3.0 meter per second square into distance 25 meters square per second square minus 400 meters square per second square, that is a 375 meters square per second square. So we will get here minus 375 meters square per second square, which is equal to minus 3 meter per second square into distance. So here minus gets cancelled, here second square gets cancelled, here meter square cancelled, here 375 meters is equal to 3 into distance, yes sir. So here distance is to be calculated, so that's why 375 divided by 3 meters, that is distance. So here 3 ones 3, 3 ones 3, 3 2 6, 3 5s 15. Okay. So here 125 meters distance. So how much distance covered by the car? The distance covered by the car is 125 meters. Okay. So here one car is here. Car is moving with 72 km per hour speed. Driver applied brakes. Car didn't get stopped. Car doesn't get stopped immediately, suddenly. So after applying brakes, it takes some time, nearly 10 seconds time it takes. So within this 10 seconds time, the speed of the car decreased from 72 km per hour to 18 km per hour. Within this 10 seconds time, car moved to certain distance. So that distance is 125 meters distance. Within 10 seconds time, car moved to 125 meters distance. And so what is the deceleration? What is the decrement? The rate of decrement in the speed of the car. So that is a minus 1.5 meter per second square. This is a deceleration. This is the opposite to the acceleration. So like this we can calculate the retardation, deceleration and the distance covered by the object